we're cooking today?
So we're gonna be doing our octopus salad. So this is just 1/8 of the octopus. It's just one tentacle.
Okay.
Spanish day-boat octopus. We just braise it in just straight white wine for about an hour and a half. Yeah, that's it. Bring it to a boil, drop it, let it go.
Nice.
So we're gonna be grilling this up. And we'll just leave that straight on the grill. That'll take about 2, maybe 3 minutes on each side before it's fully done. You don't want burnt, but you want a nice char and you want marks.
Yeah, you just want to kiss it.
Yeah, you just want it hot all the way through.
All right,
so while that's going, we can totally build the salad. So we start with our chickpeas. These actually come from Los Osos, from a farm called Kandarian Farms. These are peppadews. This is a South African pepper. I believe they're lightly pickled, but they add a really nice fresh flavor. They're not spicy at all. And then so these are peeled tomatoes. We just take the skin off. The skin can be a little bit bitter. Drop in boiling water for about maybe 15 seconds just till the skin pops off, and we just peel them off. Then we're gonna grab some, any green will do. Right now we're using kale in ours. This again is local kale also. So really, besides the octopus, everything else is pretty much local.
Nice.
Salt. And then for our dressings, we use Calabrian chili oil. It's really spicy, so you only need like maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon. It's hot. And then so this is gremolata. Just garlic, lemon, parsley, and local olive oil.
Okay.
It just kind of adds a little bit of a pop and a little bit of freshness going into it. And then this is our macerated lemon. We just take lemon segments, get rid of the pith, zest, and everything, cook it in a little olive oil on the stove, probably about, I don't know, maybe 30 seconds, just till it falls apart.
You guys are fancy over here.
We do. We are. We keep it really fancy. I'm gonna flip that octopus really quick. So you're just looking for about that much color.
Yeah.
You just don't want it burnt. If it's burnt, it gets really hard and tough. It's not good. When you see it start to like flex and move, it's about there.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna slice it up a little bit. This is mainly just for presentation. Throw a couple pieces into the salad. So once it's fully mixed, I'm just gonna go straight into the bowl. Put that right there on top. I'm gonna grab some of our house-made garlic aioli, which is made just with confit garlic and how you normally make an aioli. And then we top it with just a little bit of fresh oregano. And that's it.
All right, so let's try this out.
When we first put this on the menu, I was in here eating it twice, every day.
Oh yeah.
That's one of my favorite dishes.
We paired this with the white Rhone blend for a few reasons. Number one, there's enough acidity in the white Rhone blend to match the acidity of the dish. Remember, acid likes acid. And between the lemon juice and the tomatoes in the dish and the acidity in the wine, they can keep up with each other. The second reason is that the spicy in the dressing goes great with the over-the-top fruity, aromatic, and floral characteristic of the white Rhone blend.